Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer. For your general energies, Cancers, we are picking few cards. If you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. So let's see what are the cards. It's Two of Wands in reverse, the Fool, and Seven of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Cancers, you are rushing towards some decisions or some path, maybe in your career or in your personal life. You are making some immature choices for yourself, and without that deep thought, without thinking about the pros and cons of your situation. So that may create some difficulties for you guys. So this rash decisions, instinctive behavior, that may or may not work well for you. So you are seeing unlimited possibilities in your situation with this choice, but you need to be really careful. Making you are rushing thoughtlessly, so you need to be quite careful, guys, Cancers. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Maybe if because of this carelessness in your situation, you may land yourself in some embarrassing situations. You may make some mistakes and things may not go well for some of you. Maybe you may feel quite emotional or some kind of worries in your situation. Maybe for some of you it may even work as something benefiting you guys. So sometimes when we do some things without too much thinking, too much without thinking too much, when we go for something, maybe this may be something to do with your relationship also. So being with this person or being in this new connection with them, maybe your friends or your family, they are suggesting you something, otherwise they are asking you to take time, think, but you are rushing towards them because in your heart of hearts you may have a good feeling about this connection, about this love. So that may be the reason you are rushing thoughtlessly towards them. So whatever people say in your situation, your friends or family, that may not become true, guys. So your immature decisions may prove right for you sometimes. So that may also be the case here, guys. So this love may turn out to be something that is surprising you, something that is sweeping you off your feet, simply giving you that wonderful feeling, happiness and joy, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see with these cards. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can close your eyes, think of your situation for a few seconds, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. That way that reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, let's start with the first card. So this is your first card. I will keep this card aside. So I will pick few cards from this deck So let's see what is coming up with this deck, guys. These are the cards. So any questions or any doubts you have in your situation, you can think about it, guys, and I will see the cards and we will start the reading now. So it is 9 of moons, the Empress, and Ace of Suns in reverse. So it may be in your situation, guys, someone, it may be a woman, it may be your close friend, or it may be your sister or mother, who has that true concern on you, love for you, and they are coming to help you. They are offering help, supporting you. Maybe they are helping you in this connection, bringing that understanding between you and this person. And she is a very kind and compassionate person, and they are influencing you in a positive way in this for this relationship. Or this may be your person, this may be the energy, their energy. So they are influencing you in a very positive way, so for all the good things. So this person is giving you valuable suggestions, guys, what you need to do. And maybe they are suggesting few things because certain things are not going right in your situation, guys. So it may be some difficulties in your business, or some difficulties in your personal life, maybe some illness, or it may be some financial situation in your career. So they are giving you valuable advice and support for that. So things are not going so well in your career, maybe for some of you, and this person is helping you out. And I also see that your problems are getting solved because of the way they are helping you, and you're proceeding towards success in your life, guys, success in your situation. And you have that clarity in your mind today because of this person. So with their help, you are able to clearly identify what is the reason for troubles and how you can rectify it. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading with these cards. So let's see what is coming with these cards, the other set of cards. Here we have a few other cards to pick from this deck for the second deck. So for those who have chosen this deck, let's pick few cards. These are the cards, guys. So any doubts or any questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and I will open these cards now. So let's see. It's Magician, Six of Fire, and King of Earth. I hope you can see the cards here. So in your situation today, guys, you have excellent skills and talents in your life, but you may be having some intuition about certain things. So when you are with this person, you may feel a particular way. You're in your heart of hearts, you may have some guidance what you need to do and what is your next, what is the right direction. So when you have that intuition, you should listen to it, guys. And maybe when you are with this person, or maybe even alone, you have overwhelming feelings in your heart. This connection is simply inspiring you towards better things in life, guys. So you have that trust on this person, and this person is influencing you in a very positive way. So all the good things that are there, this connection is pushing you towards that. It is bringing out your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing in other phases of your life, facets of your life, maybe in your career, or in general. When people see you now, they feel that you have changed so much. You have become more cheerful, confident, and skilled and talented. You are showcasing your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing. And you are what to say, a very compassionate person. You have that trust and faith on this person, and they also have that trust and faith on you. And you have that humility in your heart. So maybe with this person you have that what to say, that mutual love, respect, caring. So that may be the reason this connection is working for you guys, because of that kindness, compassion you have for each other. And this connection is influencing you in a positive way towards a greater growth in your life, in your career, and in your emotional state, in your spiritual state. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.